Dare I sing this next song? And the kids are paying attention, let's do it. So this next song is a cappella, so I'm gonna need some help. And there's basically a clapping part after every line. You can follow me for the clapping on this. They may never have us back after this. We'll see what happens. Oh, a Scotsman dressed in kilt left a bar one evening fair. You could tell by the way he walked that he drunk more than his share. He staggered around until he could no longer keep his feet. Then he stumbled off into the grass to sleep beside the street. Ring ding diddle diddle I-dee-o, ring ding diddle I-o. He stumbled off into the grass to sleep beside the street. Well, about this time, two young and lovely girls just passing by, says one unto the other with a twinkle in her eye, "You see yon sleeping Scotsman, so strong and handsome built. I wonder if it's true what they don't wear beneath the kilt. Ring ding diddle diddle I-dee-o, ring di diddly I-o. I wonder if it's true what they don't wear beneath the kilt." So they crept up on that sleeping Scotsman, quiet as could be, and lifted up his kilt about an inch so they could see. Lo and behold, for them to view beneath the Scottish skirts was nothing more than God had graced him with upon his birth. Ring ding diddle diddle I-dee-o, ring di diddly I-o. 'Twas nothing more than God had graced him with upon his birth. They marveled for a moment, then they said, "We must be gone, but let's leave him a souvenir before we travel on." As a gift they left a blue silk ribbon tied up in a bow. Around the bonny star the Scotsman's kilt did lift and show. Ring ding diddle diddle I-dee-o, ring ding diddly I-o. Around the bonny star the Scotsman's kilt did lift and show. The Scotsman rose to nature's call and headed for the trees. He lifted up his kilt and then he gawks at what he sees, and in a startled voice he says to what's before his eyes, "Oh lad, I don't know where you've been, but I see you won first prize." Ring ding diddle diddle I-dee-o, ring ding diddly I-o. "Oh lad, I don't know where you've been, but I see you won first prize."